gentlemen, as we shortly be arriving at Manila, would you please return to your seats? Make sure your hand baggage is placed under the seat in front of you or in the overhead locker, and that your seat bags are upright with the armrest down. Window blind should be open. Tray table and footrest should be folded and stored, and your seat belt securely fastened. To ensure you are fully aware of the exit nearest to you and the safety feature on this aircraft, please keep the safety push card in your seat pocket. If you have been using any of your personal electronic devices, laptop or mobile phone, please ensure that they are now switched off. Ladies and gentlemen, cabin crew will shortly be collecting donations to the Emirates Airline Foundation, which helps children in need around the world through projects like a care facility in Jordan and a mobile hospital service in Bangladesh. You can find out more in the foundation newsletter in your seat pocket, where you will also find a donation envelope. We sincerely thank you for your contribution.
Crew, prepare for landing, thank you.
براحتكم وسلامتكم يجب عليكم البقاء جالسين في مقاعدكم إلى أن تتوقف الطائرة نهائيا وتطفأ إشارة لفظ أحزمة المقاعد. قبل مغادرة الطائرة تأكدوا من أخذ جميع أمتعتكم الشخصية الموجودة في جيوب المقاعد التي أمامكم أو في الخزائن العلوية. يرجى من حضرات ركاب الترانزيت والمتابعين سفرهم إلى محطة أخرى مراجعة الموظفين والأرضيين داخل صالة القادمين. نود أن نشكركم لسفركم مع طيران الإمارات، كما نرجو أن تكونوا قد استمتعتم برحلتكم، آملين أن نكون في خدمتكم مرة ثانية وفي المستقبل، وشكرا وإلى اللقاء. سيداتي وسادتي، نود أن نشكركم لسفركم مع طيران الإمارات للاشتراك مع الخطوط الجوية الفلبينية، كما نرجو أن تكونوا استمتعتم برحلتكم، آملين أن نكون في خدمتكم مرة ثانية في المستقبل، وشكرا وطاب صباحكم بكل خير. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Manila, where the local time is 4:45 in the evening and the outside temperature is 33 degrees centigrade. For your comfort and safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt fan has been switched off. For those of you who would like to use their mobile phone, it is now safe to do so. Before leaving the aircraft, make sure you take all your personal belongings, check your seat pocket and overhead locker. If you are transferring to another flight and need assistance, contact the airport service staff meeting this flight. We would like to thank you for choosing Emirates in association with Philippine Airlines. We hope that you have enjoyed your flight and look forward to see you again. Thank you and good evening.
Mga binibinit mga ginoo, maligayang pagdating sa Manila kung saan ang lokal na oras ay 45 minuto makalipas ang ika-4 ng hapon at ang temperatura ay 33 grado. Para sa inyong kaginhawahan at kaligtasan, manatiling nakaupo habang nakakabit ang inyong seatbelt hanggang tuluyang huminto ang eroplano at ang babala sa pagkabit ng seatbelt ay hindi nakailaw. Sa mga gustong gumamit ng mobile phone, maaari nyo na po itong gamitin. Bago lisanin ng aeroplano, siguraduhin na...
Yeah, crew, prepare all doors and cross-check, please.
Pakitingnan na rin po ang inyong mga seat pocket at overhead locker. Kung kayo ay lilipat sa ibang biyahe at mangangailangan ng tulong, makipag-ugnayan lamang sa airport services staff na sasalubong sa biyaheng ito. Nais ko po kayong pasalamatan sa pagpili sa Emirates at sana'y nasiyan kayo sa inyong paglalakbay. Hanggang sa muli po nating pagkikita, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.